LucidChart tutorial for beginners step by step. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use LucidChart to build our own diagrams. We can use it with our team or a solo. It's not that hard. It also provides us the opportunity to use it for free. So as you can see, they have a lot of clients: Amazon, HP, Google, NBC, and they also have a lot of app integration. I'll show you a little bit later. So let's click on sign up free, and as you can see, we can discover the paid plans. We have the plan free, like 3 editable LucidChart documents, 60 shapes per LucidChart document, and also like 100 templates. Individual $7.95 and team $9 per user, and also like enterprise. So I think it's pretty cool that we can start for free, and after that we can easily decide is it necessary as for us to buy a paid plan. So basically, as you can see, we can create an account with email, or in my case I'm going to continue with Gmail, as for me this is the easiest way to interact with LucidChart. So here we are. From this page here we can easily manage all this stuff here. Also we can manage LucidSpark whiteboard, so they are connected. So in the left side we can find that all the documents are right up here. We can divide them by recent, all the documents. We can also find the deleted in the trash, share documents, and also we can find the templates. As you can see, there are a lot of them, so we can use a lot of stuff we can easily do. So there is like LucidSpark and LucidChart templates together here, and in the top of the screen we can search documents with search like list, change the list view, sort, or manage our account information. So if we'll click on plus, we can find that we can create a LucidChart blank document. We can create it from template, or we can import like from Visio, Glyphy, Draw.io, or OmniGraffle. So in this case I'm going to click on blank document, and I want to create it from totally scratch, so it may take a little time. And as you can see, here we are on our workstation, where we can find a lot of stuff. This menu could look a little bit hard to understand, but I'll explain. So in the top of the screen we have like option to file. We can create new, save, duplicate, move to trash, convert to template, or we can also like import data, and do some other stuff. We can edit, we can select, view, insert, arrange, share, and so on. Also we have the option to share this project with our team through email, through link, and GUI. So in order to add something, we just simply need to find different shapes in this area here. So if you click, we can find that just like standard shape, flowchart, shapes, and so on. So we can easily use this rectangle, for example, so we can just drag and drop it right up here. We can simply resize, we can change the position, everything we need is right up here. Also we can add like different lines, add different arrows, so basically like this. So we can easily add the arrows from them, basically as the same way is right up here. So all the steps are quite intuitively easy to understand. So for example, we can easily add this shape here. From this shape we can add one more arrow somewhere here, and in this case we can easily interact. If you click on it on some shapes, we can easily customize them. We can add text, we can add different styles. For example, let's try to add the background, let it be like gray or maybe orange. So all the things are customizable in the way like this. We can also change the line color, so we can make it like red. As you can see, we have like red borders right up now. Or we can also add like text here if we need, so we can just simply go to text and manage it right up here. I think it's pretty cool and pretty easy to understand. So basically we also can find some templates if we need. If we'll go back to page like this, we can just simply go to templates and find something which is suitable as for us, like flowchart, business process, org chart, sequence diagram, UML class, and database ER diagram. So sometimes it could be easier to use these templates from here. So if you're going to use this page, As you can see, we can just simply click on use template and a new document will be successfully created, and this template will be added to our work page here. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. We can manage every single element. So if we need to change the text, so for example, we can change it right up here. We can also delete this part. So basically just select and delete. We can then just replace something right up here. And in this case, we can easily interact with every single part here. I think it's pretty cool. And so we can also add different sticky notes. We can add blocks. We can add hotspot. We can add lines. We can add presentation frame or diagram key. So basically it's pretty cool. And if we'll go back to dashboard, we can find all the projects right up here and we can interact with them. Basically we can make them as a favorite or something like this, or we can share. And if we'll click on more, we have the option to open, rename, duplicate, cut, copy, move to trash, and show details. Also, we can manage attributes, export, or just delete. So in my case, I want to delete this page here. And now it's not deleted. We can still find it in the trash area. And here we can restore or we can delete even from trash. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. And if you are going to discover the paid plans, we can just simply click on upgrade in the right top corner. And we'll come to the page where we can find our plans. As you can see, we have LucidChart plans, LucidSpark. In our case, let's discover the LucidChart. So let's click here. And how can we open it? Basically, it should be somewhere here. Basically, as you can see, we can just simply click on change plan. And from this page here, we can find all the differences. For example, if you're going to buy individual, we'll have the unlimited editable documents. We'll also have unlimited objects per document, 1 GB of storage, Visio import and export, presentation mode, premium shape libraries, and premium templates. So basically it's pretty cool. And we can also buy the enterprise plan, as you can see, for LucidChart and LucidSpark together, 80/25. Basically, it's pretty cool. And moreover, we can even try to use it for free. As you can see, we can just simply start our free trial. And after that, all the payments will be continued. Of course, we need to fill our data here, but basically, yeah, this is the way of how can we even try it for free. After that, we can cancel our subscription. So in this way, we are able to interact with LucidChart. I hope guys this video helped you out. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.